Now I'll just give you a demo of the homing and probing. So we'll do a home first. Just press the button. What the machine is doing is homing the Z-axis. You see it come up on the right hand side. You see that proximity detector. There you go, she's homed. Now it's homing the Y-axis, sneaking forward till it reaches the... Now you can't see the proximity detector for the Y-axis, but it's there, it's under the table. So now it's doing the Z-axis, sneaking across, almost silent. There you go. And that's the machine home to the 0 position. And now we'll do a probe. Let's take a few seconds. So now it'll go down and probe till it hits that plate. Oh, that's way too slow. You see it's coming down. It'll hit that, it'll allow for the thickness of the plate, then it'll retract back up to exactly 10 millimeters off the deck. Exactly 10 mil. She's all calibrated, nice and quiet, very quiet, this machine. You can barely hear the power supply. That'll be silent next week. There you go, she's just about to touch. There you go, a little bit of a pause, and we'll just test it. We'll take the test plate out. That plate's just fits under there, 10 mil, perfect.